Here are the answers to the most common questions regarding the last will. What is a last will? A last will is a set of public instructions about where your assets go after you pass away. Someone who creates a will is called a testator, and the person receiving under the will is called a beneficiary. Why write a last will? This document allows you to make sure your money and other assets are inherited by the person or people of your choice. It also allows you to make specific distributions. For example, you can write, "Each of my 3 children should receive an equal share of my estate." Or, like Karl Lagerfeld, you can bequeath your entire fortune to your pet. Who can create a last will? Most states require that a will be executed by someone who is at least 18 years old and is of sound mind. In some states, it can be an emancipated minor, for example, a person under 18 who is a member of the armed forces or is lawfully married. Check your state's code for more details. What is the format of a last will? Most states require a will to be in writing. About half of them accept holographic wills, handwritten and signed by the testator without witnessing and notarizing. But in most cases, a typewritten will is considered a much better option. What makes a will valid? In most states, a will should be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 disinterested and credible witnesses who are over 18 years old. Witnesses must also sign the will. Only Louisiana requires a will to be both witnessed and notarized. In other states, notarization is needed only if you want to make the will self-proving. Can a will be revoked? A will can be partly or entirely revoked in 3 cases. First, by a subsequent will. Your new will revokes the previous one. Second, by destroying the will, for example, by tearing it or burning it. And finally, by operation of law. In most states, a divorce revokes every provision regarding the former spouse. How do I create a will? A will can be written in 3 ways. First, by yourself, by handwriting or using a fillable template. Or with the help of a lawyer or a law firm, which might be quite expensive. Or you can use our step-by-step builder that will allow you to create a highly customized last will.